In Maharashtra, most class 9 students are now stepping into one of the most important stages of their academic life, the SSC Board Examination. Dear students, are you anxious, confused, or looking for the guidance to score well in the board exam? Then don't worry. This video is specially for you. If you think the preparation for the board exam starts in the last 2 to 3 months, you are already making mistake. Remember, toppers do not start late, they start from the day 1. First of all, congratulations on being promoted to class 10. This is a very important year in your academic journey. But don't worry, with the right strategy, you can handle it confidently. Let me share a step-by-step plan that will lead you to a big success in your SSC board examination. Step 1. Understand the syllabus clearly. Before you open any book, understand what to study. Go through the syllabus. If you want, you can take guidance from your subject teachers to understand what you have studied in your previous classes and what is newly introduced in class 10. When you understand the syllabus, you remove confusion and fear. Step 2. Make a simple daily routine. You don't need a very strict timetable, but you need a simple and consistent daily routine. Try to spend 2 to 3 hours on your self-study every day. Choose a time that suits your health and energy, and during this time, study 2 to 3 subjects with short breaks in between. Step 3. Focus on concepts. Don't just memorize, understand the concept. Whatever you understand, write it in your own words. This will help you create your own notes and improve your understanding. Remember, if you understand the concept, you will not forget it in the exam. Number 4, practice writing daily. SSC board is a written examination. So from the day 1, practice writing answers. This will help you to improve your speed, to improve your handwriting, to improve your presentation, and it will build up your confidence. Step 5. Revise weekly. Whatever you study during the week, revise it on Sunday. Remember, revision is the key to long-term memory. Step 6. Avoid distractions early. If you control mobile usage and distractions now, your preparations will become much easier. Remember, discipline in the beginning leads to success in the end. Now the most important, step 7, solve previous year papers. Don't wait for the last months. Start solving previous year questions gradually. This will help you understand the exam pattern and improve your confidence. Remember, class 10 is not difficult. It only requires consistency and discipline. Every small effort you make daily will become a big success in your final examination. If you start following these steps from today, I am sure you will definitely see a big difference in your final result. If you found this video helpful, do share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such guidance. Keep learning, keep growing. Finally, wishing you all the best for this one of the most important year of your academic journey. Thank you very much for watching.